Today is Africa Day, and before you click away, maybe you're not really interested in Africa Day, let me tell you my Africa Day experience. Because in 2002, while I was doing primary, we actually won this competition and we were representing the country of Kenya, and it was so rigorous. We were so on point. We had to win because we even learned the national anthem of Kenya, and to this day I still remember it. The main reason our school actually won the Africa Day celebration is because we were so on point. We went as far to learn the Kenyan national anthem, and I kind of still remember it. I kind of revised it. We only learned the first stanza, so Kenyan people, please don't judge me too much. I'm gonna try my best. So here we go. And warning, I have a bad singing voice. So Emungu nguvu yethu ilete baraka kwethu akinkiwe engawona mlinzi nakukawona undugu amani na uhuru raha tupate na ustawi. Well, I tried. Even though I don't agree with many policies by Kenyan President William Ruto, Kenya is still an African country and is still our brothers. These are our brothers. If you could check the national anthem, they were talking about Indugu. Indugu, that's a South African word. It's a Zulu word. The language is Swahili. So that's why Swahili is the main language. That's why many African leaders want to incorporate Swahili into an official language in every African country. As a matter of fact, Swahili should be an official language for all Africans so we can communicate with it, because there are many words in Swahili that incorporate Tswana, Tsonga, Zulu, Venda. All the words are there. It's not a foreign language. You can kind of hear, you can know some of the words just by hearing the national anthem. So all in all, the whole of Africa, happy Africa Day.